Captured an amazing moment, only to find the video blurry or low resolution? Don't delete it just yet. Filmora's AI video enhancer can automatically transform low-quality footage into high-definition masterpieces. Building on the foundation of Filmora 14, Filmora 15's AI video enhancer introduces a major upgrade for portrait scenes, making it the perfect tool for TikTokers, vloggers, and all video creators who want crystal-clear visuals. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. How to access AI Video Enhancer in Filmora 15. Using AI Video Enhancer is super simple. First, import the footage that you want to enhance, and then just drag your clip onto the timeline. Make sure your clip is selected, and then in the basic settings, scroll down, and here, you'll find AI Video Enhancer. Click on Generate, and Filmora AI Video Enhancer analyzes your video frame by frame. What the AI Video Enhancer actually fixes. Once AI Video Enhancer runs, the AI will improve multiple things at once. Noise reduction. AI Video Enhancer removes grain from low light or old footage. Sharpening. AI Video Enhancer makes edges and details look crisp. Color enhancement. AI Video Enhancer boosts saturation and vibrance naturally. Exposure and brightness. Fix. AI Video Enhancer helps dark or washed out shots. Upscaling. AI Video Enhancer improves resolution while keeping the clip clean. Instead of spending 30 minutes adjusting sliders, it does all of this automatically. Before. After. Here's where you really see the magic. Look at the difference. The AI enhanced version is clearer, brighter, sharper, and more watchable. If you work with screen recordings, older cameras, or low light clips, this feature will genuinely save your projects. Advanced tip for AI Video Enhancer. And if you want even more control, you can combine AI enhancement with Filmora's manual color adjustment. Dial down the intensity, add a slight LUT, or adjust contrast. AI gives you a great starting point, and you fine-tune from there. Here's the comparison of normal clip, AI enhanced video, and AI enhanced with manual color grading. Practical use cases. AI Video Enhancer isn't just for professional editors. AI Video Enhancer is perfect for old family videos, gaming footage, tutorials and screen recordings, travel vlogs. If you want your video to look clean without spending hours, AI Video Enhancer tool is a lifesaver. No editing skills needed, just click and enhance. Try Filmora's AI Video Enhancer today and turn your throwaway clips into crystal clear content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.